then it might be nice. Once you go down that long dirt road into town, probably 5 miles. Hopefully it ain't 5 miles out. Maybe it's yeah, you need to Google from that address to downtown. How many miles is that? From the address that's shown on the address that you were looking at, ask Google how far is the downtown from that address. Is it 5? Is it 2 miles? Like tap in the address and then maybe find an address in the downtown area and ask the Google Map how far away is it. But you need like the whole address. You gotta go to Google Maps. Yeah, and they should tell you. They'll tell you how far is the closest restaurant, the closest, closest restaurant, where is City Hall, how far is it, how far away are you from City Hall in the downtown area. Like, what is the nearest, let me see, what is the nearest gas station, convenience store? You might start dating an Indian. in the woods, walking through there, tracking deer. Yeah, you gotta Google and see where the nearest store at from that address. Cause if it's 5 miles away, forget it. 5 miles to downtown. Is 5 miles from downtown bad? Not really. About the same as here and going to Orange Park. It's just more trees. It ain't no getting stuck in the woods. That's life or death. Where are you? I'm in North Carolina forest. There's not good signaling up there. How we gonna get to you? Yeah, then you wanna make sure you're not too deep in the woods. Like all back here. Yeah, they be like, your whole backyard is a national forest. We be like, what? So you're saying bears abandoned. So yeah, make sure you got some sitting around you. Cause it snows there too. So there ain't no cold battery. That battery needs to be good and running. Hot runs in the cold. Come to think of it, that bike gonna be for the summer. Once it starts getting cold, I guess once the snow hit, that's usually what? They think most they get about 7 inches. Yep. They'll probably plow the roads though, most likely. Unless they got them snow tires. And that's not considered plowing weather. Like ain't nobody plowing that little bit of snow. Y'all gonna plow that? Nope. So that's something to consider. It does snow. got no sweets, do we? Oh. Oh, check it out. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah. Do you want anything? Yeah, just be a quiet life. About a year. Time to rest. Rediscover yourself. You're gonna have to have your little mini bar. For those long